Hey guys, I'm Adam with Workman Firearms. Today we've got a pretty exciting video. We've got the new CZ Shadow 2 Compact here at our shop, and we're going to be taking it apart and reassembling it for you guys to show you how it's done here. Let's get this bad Larry back to the bench and take her apart. Alright, so to begin the disassembly of our brand new CZ Shadow 2 Compact, we're going to clear our firearm, starting by removing that source of ammunition, and then we're going to rack that slide to the rear, and we're going to physically and visually inspect the chamber, as well as physically and visually inspect the mag well, and then just do a double check here. Now we know our firearm is clear, so we release that slide, and then from there I'm going to grab my little parts container here as we begin to take it apart. We're going to put our thumb through the trigger guard and wrap the top of our hand around the slide, and then from there we can pull the slide like that. And if you look on the CZs, they have a notch on the frame and also on the slide. You want to line those two notches up. So from there we can line those notches up and then turn the firearm over, and there will be a little pin to press. You want to take your CZ magazine and take the corner of it. You just want to press right on that nice and firmly, and then it'll pop for you and you can pull it the rest of the way out. And then we're going to take that, place it in our parts bin, and from there we can release the slide and pull it the rest of the way off from the frame. Now our frame is taken apart as far as we want it to be, so we'll set that off to the side. We want to compress our recoil spring there, and we can pull it up and out along with our barrel. Now we can pull that up and out and set it off to the side. Now the slide is as broken down as we want it to be. Now, since the firearm is brand new, we're going to want to clean it, lube it up before we take it out and shoot it for the first time. Then once we do that, we'll do the reassembly. To begin the reassembly, you want that slide still facing towards the bench upside down. Then we want to take our barrel with the smooth side of the barrel facing down towards the table and slide it into the front of the slide and then push it back. It'll kind of lock into place. With our recoil spring, we want the smooth part of the recoil spring, not the side with the Allen key head there. The smooth side pointing towards the front of the slide. You just take that and compress it and pop it right in, and it'll sit right along the barrel there. And then we want to take our slide, and if you look at the CZs, they're very unique. They actually slide into the slide as opposed to riding on rails on the slide like most of your firearms. So we're going to take it and you're just going to start at the very front of the frame, and you want to slide it in there and then just guide it all the way back. And then from there, I like to go to my hamburger grip, where we were going to line up those notches and then take our takedown pin once those notches are lined up and slide it right in, and it'll click right into place. From there, we can release the slide, do a little functions check, and she's good to go. She's all reassembled. That is how you disassemble and reassemble the new CZ Shadow 2 Compact. Thanks for watching, guys.